Hello and welcome to your weather for the week ahead from the Met Office. There's plenty going on this week with our weather, although we're starting the week with relatively calm conditions. Not a lot going on Monday and Tuesday, most places dry. It's going to turn quite a bit milder through the middle of the week, but it's also going to turn very windy indeed. And we'll all see a spell of wet weather through Wednesday and Thursday. Once that clears away, well, yes, all eyes to the north as it turns significantly colder with ice, frost, and yes, even some snow. So, as I say, lots going on later this week, but we're starting off with high pressure sitting close by to the UK. So most of us under the influence of this high pressure, dry but predominantly cloudy. The isobars just starting to pinch together there across parts of Scotland, so we will see the breeze picking up here for Tuesday, maybe a few showers drifting in. One or two light showers are possible elsewhere, but for most, Tuesday, dry, but mostly rather gloomy. Some breaks in the cloud, a hint of sunshine here and there, and it will be relatively mild. Temperatures getting up to 8, 9, maybe 10 degrees Celsius. Notice how the wet weather just starting to pep up a little bit across the Highlands and the Western Isles of Scotland. That will continue through Tuesday evening. Elsewhere, Tuesday evening, again, generally dry and cloudy. Just going to head out of the way because just to the west of Ireland, notice there is a band of rain, and that is a cold front, and that is tied into a bigger weather system as we zoom out, and that will bring quite a change. Look at the number of isobars across the country on Wednesday. That means the winds will really be picking up. A very blustery spell through Wednesday and into Thursday, thanks to this developing area of low pressure. And that weather front will also be bringing rain. It could be very wet indeed through Wednesday and Thursday across the northwest of Scotland. The band of rain swinging its way through Northern Ireland. Ahead of it, much of England and Wales will be dry for most of the day. The rain pushing in later on, but the winds will be picking up, but also bringing milder air. So temperatures could be 10, 11, 12 degrees, maybe even a little bit higher in one or two places. So very mild midweek, but also turning wet and windy. The rain will continue to sweep its way across England and Wales through Thursday morning, it looks like. And Thursday morning, still pretty mild across the south, but it's already turning colder further north. And as we run through the rest of Thursday, as that weather front swings away, it turns drier and brighter, but Thursday afternoon will probably be colder across England and Wales than Thursday morning, because it's during Thursday we're going to get this change to northerly winds. And that is going to be quite a dramatic change. Much, much colder conditions. The front will be swinging its way away. The low pressure starting to clear, and then the isobars starting to point to the north. And that's what will allow the cold air to be driven its way southwards. There's a lot of isobars on the chart as well. So through Thursday and into Friday, it stays windy. These winds will be strong as well as coming right down, you can see there, from the Arctic. Now, the winds themselves could cause a few issues, particularly across parts of the east. We get the winds funneling down a northerly wind through the North Sea. That could bring some high tides down the eastern side, combining with those strong winds may bring some flooding issues. So that is one area for concern. The next, of course, with northerly winds, the likelihood of wintry showers. And where are we going to see snow showers? Well, the areas pointing towards those northerly winds most susceptible. So yes, northern half of Scotland, but also Northern Ireland, parts of northwest England, North Wales. They're the areas at the moment most susceptible to seeing some snow showers later this week. Some could drift down through the Cheshire Gap into parts of the Midlands as well. But a subtle change in wind direction will really change where we'll see the sleet and snow showers. So it's just too early at this stage to say exactly where we'll see any snow, but it's definitely not too early to say that come the end of the week, it is going to feel bitter. These are the maximum temperatures, struggling to get above freezing. Add on that wind, and it will feel sub-zero for most of us. So yes, a return to winter at the end of the week into the weekend. Ice, frost, and some snow showers in places. And there's also, don't forget, that risk of some coastal flooding down the eastern side. So plenty going on. Please stay up to date with the very latest forecast. If and when we issue weather warnings, they'll be available on the Met Office website. Download the Met Office weather app, and you can track the weather yourself throughout this week.